You have become today master chef.
Yeah,
Okay, so what you are making today? So first of all, I'm going to show you some of
How
the
to make
ingredients.
pizza.
How to make pizza. Before that, we need to prepare. Yeah.
This one.
So this we bought from Wing Greens. The seasonings we
No,
can use
it's
oregano.
just like this one.
Yeah, it will look just like that one. So there are pizza seasonings, basil leaves, and some oregano leaves.
Yeah, all this stuff.
And we have made this dough. We need this in the morning itself, and now it is ready. So you can easily get the
It's a white
pizza dough recipe on YouTube using yeast. Yeah, we need a pizza sauce. This is a ready-made Wing Greens sauce.
This yellow one.
This is also Wing Greens. This is cheese sauce. This we'll use to make cheese burst pizza. These are diced onions. These are paneer. This is fully veg loaded pizza. Mushrooms. Some olive oil. Olive oil. I don't prefer the butter. There is some milk to soften the dough. I'll just show you how to do that. This is some grated cheese. This is mix of Amul cheese and the mozzarella cheese. These are diced bell peppers. These are cherry tomatoes. And this is the little secret of mine, which I'll show you later. This is a mix of grated cheese, onions, and the mushroom sticks that we usually throw, right? So what I have done, I have just roll pin this pizza base for Ahana.
I put a sauce.
Yeah. So Ahana will now start putting the oil on the oven tray, baking tray. Start, Ahana. Puts the oil all over. So this I'm
I'm making pizza on my tray.
Today we are making a cheese burst pizza. So what I have done, I have taken small balls of dough earlier. I have made a chapati kind of this thing, and I have just roasted it on tawa on a medium flame, and I have just I have just did some holes like this. I have just poked this with the fork so that it doesn't get swell up. So this is kind of something which we use for cheese burst pizza, and the base is this.
But everywhere. Ah! It's okay. I'm making this. Is that okay?
This is done, Ahana?
Yeah.
Okay. Bus.
Put more.
No, we don't want to put more. And you spread it using this one. Spread this. So I usually put some pizza sauce in the cheese burst also between the two layers. Usually it is not in the market, but I usually do that so that we don't throw the base. This is the cheesy sauce we are putting it. Now Ahana will spread it. Spread, Ahana.
I'm doing it. Oh, it's all my pizza. Whoa, it looks so good.
Should I also help you, Ahana, a little bit?
No, I could do it.
Okay, do it.
I'm a baker and a muffin.
Okay, what are you doing, Ahana?
So I'm making sauce and pizza.
Okay, so you're spreading the sauce, right?
Yeah, and this also quite clean.
Okay, spread it nicely all over.
All over, all over, all over, all over. Make just like a circle.
Here also, Ahana.
Oh, here.
Everywhere. Full circle. This is a circle kind of structure, right?
Yeah, you have a space, the circle.
Yes, very good. Very good. Awesome.
The back side.
Yes. So during this lockdown period, Ahana has come into the kitchen. So when she came for the first time, she was like 2.5 years old.
Yeah, and then I was so sad when I'm so small.
So since then she's helping me a bit, like arranging the vegetables in the refrigerator. So during that time,
my eyes also.
yeah. So during that time, she used to learn about the vegetables.
It's messy.
No, it's not messy. Try to put it. So it's pretty engaged to your. It's just really good activity if you engage them in your cooking activities day to day, because it will keep them busy during this lockdown time.
Keep it busy.
Yeah. So it's really engaging if you engage your kids in this cooking activities. I prefer Ahana to get the help of Ahana sometimes when I'm cooking. Yes. Here also.
Oh, don't touch your finger. Get dirty. After I'm done, I have to wash
You have to put more Ahana. Chalo.
it.
Pizza sauce.
Pizza. This is the cheese sauce. Yeah. Put here also. Okay. Now we will put some.
And then it's mixed with the sauce.
Okay, so let me add some cheese. This is grated cheese. It's a mix of Amul cheese and the mozzarella cheese. Okay. now my secret comes. What I use. So what I have used is a grated cheese with some onions and the mushroom sticks that we usually
Mama,
throw.
I want to mix with sauce.
Yes, you mix it. The mushroom sticks that we usually throw, I have grated that as well. So this I'm going to fill in the on the boundary of this base, so that people usually throw the outer line of the
This is
base.
so dirty. This
When the
is
stuffing will be there, that the taste will be enhanced. People will not, then you will not be able to throw that base, the outline of the base. So this I'm going to fill.
With the bit.
Yeah.
Just like
So now we will put this base.
no.
This is kind of cheese burst pizza, so this has to be. And now we will put this stuffing on the. This is kind of something which I do it by myself. This I just because I usually find that we used to throw the outer line of the pizza base, which is like a huge waste, right? So if you put some stuffings, you will love to eat them and you will not throw them. So that's the main idea. And
Now to put the sauce on the top.
yeah, wait. So this can be a little helpful to reduce the base that we usually waste while eating the pizza. Now we are going to stick this just like this, okay.
Like that. Just like that.
Yeah, so like this we used to stick this. This is pretty it's little you need some time to cook pizza, but it's really yummy when you use when you used to eat a homemade pizza. And
Yeah, when I'm so small, I usually eat pizza. When I'm so small.
Okay, so this is
Mama's pizza. I'm making Mama for you. Ah!
like this. We seal all the boundary of the pizza base.
So let's put more
We are
sauce.
placing the lower pizza.
Let's put more sauce.
Now Ahana will put more sauce on this, so that we can start.
Next thing, I think
Yes, so we will put 1 scoop of sauce. Okay, Ahana?
it makes sounds.
Yeah. Now Ahana will spread the sauce.
On there?
Yes, everywhere.
Ah!
Whole circle you have to spread.
Ah! What's up? This is. Oh, it looks so funny, huh? It looks so funny, Mama.
Chalo, make it, spread it nicely.
It's just like this one.
Yeah. Spread it.
There?
Yes, everywhere you have to do it. First do here, right, like this.
That's the too much sauce Mama puts. Huh. Ah.
You can prepare the pizza sauce at home if it's not available around, but it's everywhere now. You can get it on Amazon itself. But if you don't like outside sauce or something, there are so many recipes on YouTube you can get while making, because it can be a little healthy if you prefer a homemade
I
sauce
got my
as well.
aim and Mom got my. Huh. Good.
What are you doing, Ahana?
Making pizza.
Making pizza or spreading sauce?
Oh, more sauce. Okay. No, I just spread it.
Yes, spread it nicely. Spread it nicely. We have preheated the oven. We have preheated the oven for 20 minutes at 200 temperature, and I usually prefer toast function rather than any other function. If you want more grill, then you can use the grill later, but for the first I use the toast function. Is it done, Ahana?
Not yet. That would be way wet.
You start now we start putting the cheese, okay?
On the top, on the sauce.
So let me give a finishing touch to this. Okay, Hana, like this you have to do, okay?
Okay, me.
Now I will put some cheese, grated cheese, and then some veggies, and then again some grated cheese, and it will provide some grip to the veggies.
Just like same one. Like same one on the top.
Hana, now you put the veggies. Start putting the veggies. Come on.
My hands.
Yeah, through your hands. Chalo, start. Put red one here, some here. Put it. Yes. Now put some paneer. Paneer cubes. Yes.
Oh, me.
Do it.
Oh, I think. Ah.
Yes. Very nice. Some here. 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Now onions. Put onion. Diced onions.
I can't reach.
Can I help you?
Peel it. Peel onions.
Yeah, they are peeled onions. Put it.
Peel onions. Me.
Little.
There you go.
Okay. Now we have to put some mushrooms. Put mushrooms on.
Look at my hands.
Little bit. So there are some mushrooms. We have whatever vegetables you like more, you can put it. We like mushrooms and paneer more. Bas. Anu. Oh, this is ready. Now we will put some olives.
And put some.
Put olives, Ahana.
And then put some pepperonis.
Okay. So guys, Ahana called cherry tomatoes as pepperonis. So not.
Now let's put this one. Pepperoni.
Ahana, do nicely.
Do pepperoni. Now let's do this one. Pepperonis. Whoa.
Take one piece at a time. Take one piece at a time.
I want to choose red one.
Take one piece. Put nicely.
This one right there.
Like this. Like this.
Got it. This. On the top. This. And this. A whole bunch. I do that. I want to use a green one.
Okay. This is done. Now we will put some
More cheese.
more cheese. Yay!
I like cheese.
You like cheese? But you don't eat, Ahana. You should eat now if you like it.
Okay. And then now let's put some milk.
So now we will brush some olive oil.
Me.
Yeah, some like this you do. Some olive oil over the vegetables. I will brush it little, touch it little. Yes, like this.
On the onions.
Everywhere, yeah. On every vegetable, you have to touch with olive oil.
I need some more.
Bas. Not more, Ahana. Little.
Pass.
Okay. Now we will brush some milk.
No.
We have
Me.
No, this Mama will do.
Me.
This we have to do because the outer line of the pizza gets hard while you bake them. So it's important to brush them
And
with
put
the
on
rod.
the oven.
Yeah, we'll put it in the oven.
I want to put it in the oven.
No, beta, it's little hot, na?
And I want to open it.
No, beta, it's little hot.
I want to twist it.
No, Ahana, it's very hot.
Dad, where are my mittens?
Mittens, I'll buy you. So this is our pizza ready. Okay, so we have to add some salt as well. Let me add it.
I want to add some salt.
Some salt you can put so that it doesn't give you the...
Me, I want to put it.
Now we are placing this pizza.
Mama, I want to eat sugar.
This pizza is ready. We have
No,
put
I
everything.
want to eat sugar.
We
I
have,
want to eat sugar.
we have to put this pizza in this. Ahana, how many minutes? So there is nothing as time decided. We used to check it in between.
Me, I want to turn it.
It is already turned on, Ahana. So this is now baking. We will show you results after some time. Guys, it looks so yummy. It's little bloated. You can see, right? The sides of the dough. Can you see, Ahana?
Yeah.
It's little bloated, right? See the boundaries? And we are cooking one more on the gas tandoor. So this is the gas tandoor I have. So if you don't have the electric oven, you can get this at any shop, whether you're staying anywhere. You have to ask for gas tandoor. And this is pretty amazing. The taste of this pizza and the taste of this pizza are slightly different, and both have the taste is little different. So I'm making 2 pizzas today, one on gas tandoor to show you, and one in the OTG. Okay. So the OTG pizza has a brown texture on the top as well, because it can be heated from top as well. But the gas tandoor we cannot heat from the top, right? So that's the plus point of having electric OTG. Else the taste and everything remains pretty same. So this is this I'll show you when it gets completed, and the OTG one too. I I have made on the gas tandoor. It will take more time. I think a little time more than the electric one. It takes half an hour approx to get fully roasted and cooked. Guys, it's smelling so good. I cannot tell you even. So nice. See from inside. So yummy. So healthy also. Little healthier, I would say. Not much healthy, but little healthier than the outside pizzas. So guys, it is ready. So let me check it out. I'm taking out that pizza. Anna, see, it is ready.
Wow!
See guys, isn't it looking like the market one?
Me!
See it? Don't touch it, okay? It's pretty hot.
Wow, and you use the mix inside.
Yes. So now we will cut this into the parts that you like. And it's ready. I will show you the gas tandoor pizza as well. So see, the cheese has started to melt. It will take a little more time than the electric one because... So I'll show you this after it gets cooked. This is the look of the electric one. So it is ready. So you can add, the seasoning of your choice. This is wing greens, dried oregano. This one is dried basil, and this is the pizza pasta seasoning itself. So I'm going to put each and every one because I like it. So I'm using all the three one. So this is done. You can use the red chili. I don't usually prefer the red chili. So now this is ready. After the gas tandoor pizza gets cooked, I'll show you up. Pizza is ready.
Oh, yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye, Pika.